they eat late. What do you mean?
And I do want to review with you like some things that I've been, because if you're new, I am Korean, but I was born in America. I did not know Korean growing up, but I'm a bigger person. And at this point, I'm not the first person to watch my neighborhood. But when I want to feel it, I feel like when it comes to music in my life, I think especially when you have like a rough week, Friday just, it feels.
I'm so sorry to be starting the vlog like this. Hi, welcome back to a new vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kemi, and yeah, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I don't want to say I've had the toughest day, but my day was great all until after I had lunch. I started having this weird headache, like just on my left side, and it's been horrible. Like I'm still having the headache right now. First thing I did when I got home was to take a very cold shower. Not like I take hot shower. So which one do you guys prefer, hot or cold shower? I love my cold shower. So I took a cold shower, and I plan to really change my bedspread today. So I changed that. So I'm sleeping on a clean, fresh, new bedspread, which is so amazing. I'm really so excited about that, and I really love the color. I unboxed this in the last vlog, and I decided to lay it today. And yeah, so I've been settling in pretty good and spending a lot of money. Okay, so I woke up with this. I don't know what this is. I think it's getting bigger. I hope it does not get bigger than this, because is that why I'm having headache? I've been spending quite a lot of money, and I'm out of money now. So I have my carpet tiles in my last apartment. I fixed carpet tiles in my bedroom. Now I feel like I want to fix it in my living room, and I was just going to buy like a pack of the rubber tiles, and that would do for my living room. But it's looking like I might have to buy extra 3 packs, and boy, when they gave me the price, I'm not doing that. What else? My last vlog, I unboxed a floating shelf that I got from Temu, and I don't know where I want to put it. I feel like I want to put it beside my dressing table here. I feel like I want to put one beside my mirror, and I also feel like I should put one in the living room. I will let you guys know what I decide on later. I'm actually really talking too much. I don't know where this talk is going to. I also want to get a chair in my bedroom. Those white chairs, I've gone to price it. They're telling me 38k. I thought that thing was like 25k. Actually, I priced it earlier this year, I think about February, March, and they told me it was like 22k. So in my head, extra 3k, maybe it's like 25, or highest 30k. Not the man telling me it's 38k. I need that chair in this room because that's the plan. I need to go make dinner because I'm starving, so I'm going to make that now. I have more in my fridge, so I'm just going to warm that up and probably add some veggies beside it. So that's what I'll be having for dinner. I don't have energy to cook. It's just to warm the food. actually really good. This is so good. You guys need to try it. I'm out of it and I've not been able to restock it. This is so good and very hydrating. I brought out the scissors. This scissors is suited. I'm going to put my sunscreen after getting dressed because I don't really want everything to just be all clawed up in my skin. So I'm going to get dressed and then when I'm leaving, I will apply my sunscreen. Of the day. I don't know how this is going to turn out yet. Oh, I decided to wear a maxi skirt and a t-shirt. I hope this works out. I really hope. Fingers. So the skirt did not work out, so I'm putting on my jean. So let's apply my sunscreen. I'm tired of this braids. I'm not going to lie to you guys, but I'm tired. So going to be adding this. Glasses, but I think it complements my whole look, so I'm going to put it on. And because I've been having headache of late, migraine of late, so we're going to stick with wearing glasses for now. So yeah, this is my coffee. My mirror is so dirty, but I don't know if I show you guys this. See what's going on? My mirror broke, and that is that. And we're off.
God told him, or he heard God's voice, next time making cheesecake. And what does that show you? Accuracy, right? Is not necessarily in hearing God tell you this now. Because one thing I will see a lot, especially in the Christian circle, is we tend to spiritualize everything. Environment, when you're given a group or a team task,
I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm just going to like run you through real quick of what is going on. I just got back from work and ignore my back, and I want to go take a walk. I want to do like a little like brisk walking and then also like maybe a light jog. I want to do that for an hour 30 minutes. It's currently 2:06, and before I get to where I'm going to, probably be 6 o'clock, so I need to run now. I just finished packing, not really packed. I'm taking my power bank, my AirPods. I can't find my second AirPod since Friday, so I've been working with only one AirPod. I'm also uploading a video right now. I want to post it before 6 o'clock. I wanted to go up by 6 o'clock. It was supposed to go up yesterday, and I could not, like, the editing was not done. I could not finish it. So yeah, I was able to finish editing it today. Can we calm down? And I want to post it today. So I'm talking too much. I'm just going to grab my wallet. It's my wallet here. Yeah, I'll get my wallet from the living room. This part of the vlog is actually really going to be very dark, but I'm sure you guys can see me and my chocolate skin. Anyway, I don't think I'll be able to do an hour 30-minute work. I'm just going to do like 40 minutes because I got here pretty late. I started working about, I think, 6:40. So, and before I get to my house, it's going to be like very late. I'll probably get to the house, if I leave here by like 7:30, I'll probably get to the house around 8. I really don't want to eat late today. That's why I wanted to like come early. So yeah, because I've been in a workout funk lately. So yeah, I've done 20 minutes. I was hoping to get 10k in from just this evening work, but that's not going to work. You guys can see the way I'm breathing, right? I don't know what is happening. You guys, don't stop working out because you're going to hate yourself if you stop it. So don't stop working out, just keep going. Even though it takes walks every day, if it's for you to take a walk every day, don't stop working out. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys probably when I get home. Bye. Been craving eba since like forever. So when I was coming back from work, I decided to branch to the market and get some stuff. So let me quickly take you guys through what I got. First, I got this fish. I got these 3 for 700. Got uziza because I actually love uziza's smell and taste in my okra. This was 300. Okra was 500. It's a stew for me. I just hope it drops very well. Turkey, and you guys might be thinking, why am I eating? How am I putting okra inside? Why am I putting turkey inside okra? Well, it's my preference. I just love it. This I got a kilo. This was 8,300. I got periwinkle. I love periwinkle in my soup so much. I don't know why. Since I moved to this Port Harcourt, I'm in love with periwinkle. I got this for 500. I also got pomo. Let me open it. I got this two pomo for 500. I got ogiri. I don't know if you guys know what ogiri is. I just love the smell in my soup, so I got it. This was 150. I wanted to make stew, but I got this. Then I remember that I don't have blender yet, so I got this. I'm just going to wash it and put it in my fridge. So I just want to make like 2 portions of okra soup. One I'll eat this night and one to just keep in my fridge. I don't really like keeping like food for a long time in my fridge, so I just make it as I want to eat it. That's why I don't really buy much. So yeah, so that's about it. So let's me wash all of these, take the one I want to take, and then wash the one I'm going to use right now. And yeah, we get cooking. Finished prepping for my okra soup. I have the okra that I did with my hands, and this one I used my hand grater. Then I also use my hand grater for the pepper. So it's pepper and onions, mostly onions. And then I soak my periwinkle inside hot water. These are my proteins: the turkey, dry fish, and pomo. And then I have my uziza. Then my ogiri is here. So yeah, I can't show you guys the whole process of me cooking because I thought they will have red lights. Hi guys, good morning. Please don't mind the way I look. Don't mind the way I look this morning. I just finished a quick workout because I've been in a workout funk. But I woke up this morning kind of like energized, but I was about to give up. I just put on my sports bra. I actually left my my PJ shorts and I'm like, hell no. And it was already dirty. So I mean, look at the sweat. Can you guys see the sweat? I don't usually sweat much here, but look at my sweat. This is the step I took this morning. I did 3,810 steps and I burned 212 calories. If I was sitting on my bed, I wouldn't have done that. So I'm really so excited that I was able to move my body today, and I just needed to put it out there that if you're in a workout funk, just get up and dance. take a walk. Get it? See you guys later or tomorrow. Yeah, later probably.